Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3 Libras on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the essential chords you'll need, which are just 4 simple shapes. Then, we'll look at the song's structure, so you know exactly where each part fits. I'll also guide you through an easy strumming pattern, perfect for beginners. Finally, I'll share some helpful tips to get you playing this beautiful song in no time. To play 3 Libras, you'll primarily use 4 open chords: a minor, G major, C major, and F major. These are common shapes, making them accessible for most guitarists. The verse and chorus sections largely cycle through these 4 chords in a consistent order. The bridge offers a subtle change, but it still uses familiar chord voicings. Practice switching between these shapes slowly at first, aiming for clean, clear notes with each transition. The strumming pattern for 3 Libras is quite straightforward, focusing on a steady rhythm. A good starting point is a down-down-up-up-down pattern for each chord. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. The song's tempo is around 100 beats per minute, giving it a flowing, melancholic feel. Pay attention to the rhythm, letting the chords resonate fully. This simple pattern will help you capture the song's signature sound effectively. To truly master 3 Libras, consistent practice is key. Start by practicing each chord change individually until it feels natural. Using a metronome can greatly improve your timing and rhythm, helping you stay in sync. Listen closely to the original recording. This will help you internalize the song's dynamics and emotional depth. Don't try to play the entire song at once. Instead, break it down into smaller, manageable sections. With patience, you'll be playing it beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.